Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a smooth hyperlapse edit in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and tap on New Project. Then, select the video you want to turn into a hyperlapse and hit Add. Then, tap on your video clip and select Speed, then Curve. Choose Custom and tap Edit. Then, adjust the speed points. Move most of them to the highest speed for a smooth effect. Keep 1 or 2 points slightly slower for a natural flow. Hit the check mark to apply the speed change. Then, tap on your video clip and scroll to stabilize. Then, select most stable for the best results. Hit check mark to apply. And this is how it looked like. And that's it for today's video. If this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.